Good morning, students. This is the 10th part of Chapter 6, Democratic Resurgence. Today we will discuss what happened in the politics of India after emergency. You know that emergency can be imposed for 6 months only, and government has made amendment in Indian Constitution where the legislature's tenure has been increased for 1 year, and 2 times this was increased. So in 1977 elections were held in India. At that time all the opposition parties, they came together and they have given the slogan Save Democracy. And it was much obvious that the people's verdict was against emergency, means the Congress was defeated. Congress was defeated, and in January 1977, after the 18 months of emergency, the elections were held. The opposition joined together and one party was formed there, that was Janata Party. Janata Party, and the leader of this Janata Party was Jayaprakash Narayan. Some leaders of Congress who were against emergency, they also joined this Janata Party. For example, Babu Jagjeevan Ram. They formed a party, Congress for Democracy, but later they merged their party with Janata Party. Babu Jagjeevan Ram, he was a Congress person. Then this Janata Party contested the election on one issue, that was emergency. Its campaign was focused on the non-democratic character of emergency, non-democratic rule of Indira Gandhi, arrest of thousands of persons, and Jayaprakash Narayan, he was the symbol of restoration of democracy. All the political parties, they decided to contest the election under the leadership of Jayaprakash Narayan. Janata Party won the election because the people's mood was against emergency, because of the leadership of Jayaprakash Narayan, and one more reason, the unity among the non-Congress parties, means all the non-Congress parties, they came together. Earlier the votes were divided. So when the results of 1977 elections were declared, the verdict was against Congress, especially in North India, where it was a popular party. Near about in all the states of North India, there was a government of Congress, but now in the elections of 1977, there was a defeat of Congress in North India. Congress scored only 154 seats. Earlier, it used to get more than 350 seats. It got 35% votes only. The Janata Party and its allies, they won 330 seats out of 542. Alone, Janata Party won 295 seats. So clear majority was there. The Congress lost in every constituency in Bihar, UP, Delhi, Haryana and Punjab. Means in all these states, Congress was not able to win even a single seat. Only one seat Congress won in Rajasthan and one seat in Madhya Pradesh. Indira Gandhi, she contested the election from 2 places, and at one place in Rai Bareli, she was defeated. Her son Sanjay Gandhi was defeated from Amethi. But if you see the elections result of 1977, it was defeated in North India, but in South India it retained many seats. Why? Because impact of emergency was more in North India. It was less in South India. The middle class people, those who were supporting Congress, those who were expecting that during emergency there will be discipline among the government employees, there will be no corruption, but they could not find any good result, so they moved away from the Congress. More effect of this emergency was in North India only. In South India, the effect of emergency was less. So, first time in 1977, non-Congress government was formed in India. Clear? Now, tomorrow we will discuss about the Janata Party government from 1977 to next 2 years. Till then, goodbye.